everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have a relatively quick update for my project polish because I have not finished anything yet, so it's not like the most exciting update, but I have got a little bit of progress. I'm going to show you the 3 nail polishes that I haven't used at all yet, at least not since the last update. So this first one is Holiday Jingle, and I have not been feeling the green glitter, which is fine. And then the Sephora by OPI Till We Meet Again. I absolutely love the shade. I just haven't used it. I had my toenails professionally done, and I love this on my toes. That is going to be coming off probably within the next week or so, so I will be using this on my toes most likely, and maybe make some progress on it. And then this one from Artmatic, it is just a blue, navy blue color. I've been wearing a lot of dark nail polishes off and on, and I just haven't used that one yet. So those 3 haven't used, but I will be using them soon. All right, the next 3 I have used, but I did not have enough usage to draw a new line. So we have the Artmatic in green, and I have this line right here where I was at the top of this line. Now I'm just at the bottom of the line. So I'm thinking probably by next month, I'm going to be able to do a new line on this one, which is kind of cool. And we are below the halfway mark, which is very nice because we're not even halfway through the year. Next, I have another Artmatic. This is just a micro glitter. Again, I was at the top of this line. Now I'm just at the bottom of the line. You can barely see daylight underneath this line. And I think I will be drawing a line on that one next update. This one I have on my nails now. This one is e.l.f. and it is called Love Me. And obviously it's just red glitter. It's what I have on my nails today with one of the other shades that I did get to draw a new line on. And you can see I was at the top of this big fat line. Now I'm just at the bottom because I only did 1 coat of glitter on top of my red polish. So hopefully I will be able to draw new lines on those next update. That is my hope. Now I have 4 nail polishes that I did actually get to put a new line on, which is exciting for me. The one that probably got the most use. This one is from Hansen. It's called To the Moon, and I'm gonna turn it. I was at the green line here, at the top of the green line. Now I'm at the top of the red. I really enjoy using this polish. When I first got it, it was like a purple and silver glitter. The purple has like faded or whatever. Then it became just a silver glitter, which I still really enjoyed it. But it also became my my topper dumping ground. So like if I had a topper and there was still a few drops in it, but it wasn't enough to actually get it on a brush and put it on my nails, I would just dump it into here and, you know, add it into what I already had here. So that's why I had some old lines, but then I've dumped some stuff in, and, you know, of course, this year we have our nude lines, but I'm enjoying it quite a bit. I've worn it over silver polish. I've worn it over like a neutral, like nude colored polish. It works nice as a topper. I can wear several coats and have it be like relatively opaque, so it's really bold. I enjoy it. I tend to use it as an accent nail, but I'm using it, and that's really what's important. This next one I've gotten some really good use on. It doesn't have a brand name or anything like that. I was at the top of this line, and now I'm at the top of this very crooked line. It's not a very big bottle, so I do fully expect this to be one of the first polishes that I have done. It's a nice neutral color. If I'm in a hurry and I just want to put something on that I know I'm going to need on for a few days, so if it chips, it's not even going to show a whole lot of issues, this is the one that I go for. So I'm sure this is probably going to be one of the first ones done. The one that I'm currently wearing right now is an oldie but a goodie. It is Revlon Cherries in the Snow, and yeah, this is a really nice one. I was able to do a new line. I was at the top of the silver line. Now I'm at the top of this, I don't know if it's a blue or a green line. So I'm getting there. My concern with this one is that another manicure or two, and then it's going to be hard to get any out of it. So it may end up getting put in with something else. Like I said, I tend to do that when I'm at the end of a polish and there's just a tiny little bit in there and I can't get it on a brush. I tend to, put those last few drops in with something and kind of franken it. I've always done stuff like that. I don't know, I'm just kind of like, I like to franken. I like to play mad scientist and just see what I'm going to get. All right, this one I've worn quite a bit as well. This one is from Avon. It is the shade Saturn. Almost couldn't find it on my spreadsheet. And I'm making some progress here. This one's going to be done sooner rather than later. Nope, lies, because I put some stuff in it. I was at the top of the silver, now I'm at the top of the blue. You can kind of see the line of demarcation. This was where it was, and like I said, I added some stuff into it. So this one was a clear polish added into it to, it was too thick, so I had to thin it out with clear polish. It works beautifully now, and I'm making progress on it again, and I would love to have that one done this year. So these are the 4 most likely to be done first in this project. Obviously, I've kind of gravitated towards them, and yeah, I'm kind of excited that there's the potential to have those done. And this one gets used a lot, but it's so thin. Like you can see, it's incredibly thin. It doesn't take much in order to, get it on my nails, and it doesn't make a lot of progress. I could use it every single manicure, and it's still not going to show a ton of progress at once. So I'm just going to keep plugging away at everything. As long as I have something to show you guys every single month that I am making progress on these, I'm going to be very happy with all of that. So eventually I will get something done, but right now I'm just happy playing with this and mixing and matching these that I'm attempting to finish this year with the many nail polishes that I have in projects just for like one or several uses. It kind of breaks up the monotony a little bit, and it is helping me stay more focused where I'm not getting bored as much. So that is everything for this update. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.